Alright, welcome to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can make your image to be walking around like this. So I create this story, I make my image to be walking around, and people asking me, how do you make your image to be walking around? This type of story, if you make your image to be walking around like this, it boosts your engagement. So it's better than your image to be just saying in one spot. So you get, as you can see this story, as you can see all my image like this is moving around. So I'm going to show you how you can make your image to be moving when you are creating a story like this. So without waste much time, let me quickly show you this particular image. So as you can see this image, so I generate this image. So this image, we are going to turn it to video. So when you want to turn your image to video, make sure you generate your image in motion like this. Put something in motion like this on your prompt when you want to generate your image. So this particular one, we are going to turn it to video that will be moving around. So without waste more time, open your browser. So when you open your browser, just type on pixfast AI. So just type on pixfast AI. So as you can see, it's in the top here. So this is the pixfast AI. So just tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to be loading for you. Then click on the first one in the top. They also have the application. So if you are using a phone like this, you can also download the application to your phone, but I only prefer to use the website. So when you open it for the first time, they will ask you to sign up with your Gmail account. So they will be giving you 60 credits every day. So that 60 credits, you can only create 2 videos out of it, because each video contain 30 credits. But if you want to generate more than that, you can upgrade to the premium one. So we are using free version, but if you want to generating more than 2 videos in a day, you can upgrade to the premium one. So they are text to video. They also have image to video, which we are going to be using in this tutorial. So to bring your image come here, you just click on this box at the downside here. So when you tap on it, it will lead you to your gallery side where you pick your image. So after I picking my image, the image that I want to use for this tutorial, so this is the image, and I will now write the prompt to this side. This is the image that I pick, so I will write the prompt to this area. So to write the prompt, you will describe what do you want this image to do. So I'm going to write this prompt right now. So I write this prompt. Let me read it for you. I say a young girl walking inside the forest. She is moving forward directly into the camera, and her dog is following her. So make sure you put something like this when you want your image to be working, so that the AI will understand what you want this image to do. So you now click on create. When you click on create, it's going to start in creating your video. Make sure you just click it at once. If you click it 2 times, it's going to be generate 2 videos for you, and it costs you to create all your credits. So just click it at once like this. So it will starting generate our video. So one thing I like, this AI is faster than any other one. So as you can see, it's sharp. It will generate our video within a seconds. So let's wait and see. As you can see, our video is ready right now. So you can tap on this one right now. You can see. So I will tap on it to play it. So you are going to see it, the movement. So as you can see, just look at how realistic this is moving. So you can see it both as I describe it, that our dog is following her. Just look at how realistic this thing. So I like this AI too much. It's very good to be using. So you can see, so just click on download to download it to your gallery side. Please kindly, if you never subscribe to this channel, make sure you do so, so that you will not miss our upcoming tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next tutorial.